Okay, class. Today I'll be teaching you guys about triangles, and as you know, a triangle is a shape that has three sides. It's important to remember that all the angles in the triangle will equal 180 degrees always, no matter what numbers the angles are. So for example, you see all three angles are 60 degrees, and they will all equal to 180 degrees, always, with any angles. With any triangle, the sum will always be 180 degrees. Now, this is an example of an equilateral triangle, because an equilateral triangle is a triangle that has all three sides are equal, and all three angles are equal. Any questions so far? Okay, I'll continue. The other two types of triangles are isosceles and scalene. So a scalene triangle has no equal sides and no equal angles. So a scalene triangle would look something like this. All the sides are not equal. The angles are not equal. That's a scalene triangle. Good so far? And this is an example of an isosceles triangle. And isosceles triangles always have two sides that are equal and two angles that are equal. And I'm going to go over the formula for area, and it's really simple. It's A equals half times base times height. So the area of a triangle, to find it, you would have to find the base, which is the length of one of the sides, and the height is the height of the triangle, and you multiply both of those, and you multiply by half again. And the perimeter is also very simple. Like for example, with this scalene triangle, 6 plus 8 plus 7, you get all the measurements of the sides, and you get that answer. Okay. So now I'm going to go over the little triangle graph that I just made up for you guys. So if you guys want to, this is for you guys to get involved with. So if you want to make a beat, and that'll be really helpful. So anyone want to take it away? All three of you.
No, you do it. Go ahead.
It's easy to remember the different types. The smallest is acute, better keep that in mind. Galen obtuse is open wide. What angle equals 90? Always the right. The sum will always be 180 degrees, whether it's isosceles or scalene. The area is half times base times height. Now what makes a triangle? It's got three sides. So can you guys, let's all say it together. Someone got the beat down? 1, 2. Everyone. It's easy to remember the different types. The smallest is acute, better keep that in mind. Galen obtuse is open wide. What angle equals 90? Always the right. The sum will always be 180 degrees, whether it's isosceles or scalene. The area is half times base times height. Now what makes a triangle? It's got three sides. So you guys got that? Yep. So you guys can use that to remember, the different types of triangles and some basic concepts that you need to know for geometry. So thank you guys for participating with me. It was great having you, having the opportunity to speak to you about triangles. Anybody have any questions about this? Okay, great, awesome.